Hey guys, my name is Rob. As you can see, pretty bad weather. It's been raining here in South Florida for like the past 2 weeks. So I decided to do a little side project. I got a computer being built exclusively for editing. I'm gonna be posting mountain bike stuff, as in I'm really into that right now. Had a channel for a while, but never really committed to it. So I'm just gonna do it for fun. This computer should be really cool. It should work out great. It's exclusively for editing. I'm gonna go ahead and videotape my buddy of mine down in Miami building it. He's gonna help me out. He's really good with that stuff. So hopefully the videos get better as I go. But it's gonna be a side thing. So get some use out of this GoPro. Like I said, my name's Rob, and hopefully you see more from my channel soon. See you guys later. Hold on with compression, with pressure. Once he decides to fit in. There it goes. There you go, boom. Alright, that is your rear eye opener. Everybody can see your sweet haircut. This guy at Fresh Cuts, the dude cut it hair by hair. 30 minutes. It took him 30 minutes? Actually, it was what, 40? Yeah. 40 minutes, and I got half a head of hair. Most impressive time. So let's do a little quick item check. How good is this? Do you recommend it overall? Yes. Obviously, if we bought it. Yes. G-Skill, one of the top recommended brands, them and Corsair. This is their Trident series, their RGB, so this lights up pretty colors as you can see there. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 3000 megahertz. Okay. It's pretty fast RAM. All right, and this? This is what is this? This is your power supply, 500 watts, pretty standard, run of the mill. Okay. It'll get you going. Okay. It's more than enough for the power demands that we need. Right. This is our graphics card, Asus Radeon RX 560. I used to have an Asus laptop for gaming, and I had a really good time with that. So I know the brand is pretty good. So this graphics card, it's not so much for the diehard enthusiasts for gaming, but for the purposes that you need, it's more than enough. It's great. It's a really nice starter video card. Okay. And then it has some nice little lights. Oh, it does? So we're going to be all lit up? Okay. Yeah, it's going to light up. And then this one? The crown jewel of this build. This is like the most important part? 2600 AMD. It's a 6-core, 12-thread processor. Which that means nothing to me. Essentially, you, in layman's term, you could think of it as having 12 cores. Okay. So it's even stronger than Mother Nature, because there's only one core on that, right? And Jesus together. And Jesus, okay. And baby Jesus. And baby Jesus, okay. So this runs at 3.4 gigahertz base, and it'll boost itself up to 3.9. Okay. All on the is that the thing? Is that where I hear everybody like overclocks their stuff usually? This one will overclock on its own. Or you can go in and we can go in and manually set it to 3. Just to whatever, right? But for video editing, it'll manage itself. It'll be okay. And this is the heart right here. This is our motherboard. We got an ASRock B350M Pro 4. This is ready for the where is this for the 2nd generation of Viz and chips. So this and this match up nice to make babies. Okay, got it. Perfect. Let's open up the motherboard. Let me see. I need something. This will work. Food time. Food time. Di hola. 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 Let me see. So we're done. That's pretty good, actually. This is the homeboy Mike. What's up, Mike? What's up, Skizzle? And how do you feel about the build? You did a pretty good job. I actually like it. For a budget build, it looks high end.
It actually looks.
I'm glad you did it because I had no idea.
That looks like a straight up G, bro.